Sasagot silang dalawa ng math with Carrie. Okay. Ready? Get set? Go! Oh, answer na, answer.
Langin mabuti, wag sumagot.
Oh, keeper. Walang tingin-tingin, ha? Walang tingin-tingin. Huwag kang maingay, Uno. Huwag kang maingay. Magsagot ka lang.
5 plus 9.
Ay, sinabi ng...
14.
Just tell it to yourself. Come on.
My head now, no. Huh?
Huwag kang makialam. Magsagot ka lang.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15.
Naku. Why you... Ay, nako, Uno. How to answer? You start from here. You forgot. You are wrong now, ha? You answer here. Si Uno. Sa tabi nagsimula. Oh. Sige. Malalaman natin kung sino ang may tamang gagawin sa kanilang Ay na! Uno, no, nito. Ay na, Uno. Sige. Tignan natin.
Sali ako.
Oh, ano? Oh, what's that?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14.
Sige, sagot. Sige, sagutan mo. Oh, keeper ha? Magsagot kayo, hindi ko kayo tuturuan.
Mommy, I already know. 7 plus 4. 8, 9, 10, 11. Mommy, 11.
Don't tell me. Just do it.
That's 8. 9, 10, 11. 11.
Yeah.
Other one here again. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 1, 8. Oh no, I'm already 3. Keeper, you... What copy? 8, 9, 10, 6, 8, 9.
Oh. Sige, bilangin mo mabuti, bilangin mabuti.
8 plus 8.
Bilangin mabuti, bilangin mabuti. Sige, bilangin mo yan. Bilang, 1 plus 7 plus 2. Ikaw.
6 to? 9.
2 yan, 2. Oh.
11.
This,
11.
what is this?
We need to plus.
Sige.
We need to plus it.
Oh.
Because it turns 11.
Oh, sige, okay. 1 plus 7.
1 plus 7.
1 plus 7.
1 plus 7, that's 8.
Plus 2. Oh, how many? Keeper.
Come here.
You do it, you count. That's why I told both of you to count.
Come here.
You count, don't ask me. You have to count. You have to count. Both of you can count. Okay.
Lapit lang ang mata ko.
Sige.
Tapos na, 40 pa.
Okay, tapos ka na. Sige.
Ang dami. Ang fast.
No need to be hurry.
Plus 6 plus 3, that is 9. Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Wag! Magawa ka pala ka. 9 plus 6. 12. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15.
So, tapos na si keeper. So, naantay natin si Uno. Nagko-compute pa siya.
This is 4. And plus 2, that is 6. Sulat ko dito. Mommy, I know where to put the
Okay.
1. Know where to put the 1.
What is this?
Mommy, I did not put the 1 anywhere. Because
Okay.
it's 3 numbers.
Okay, so tignan natin. Nauna natapos si keeper. Tignan natin yung sagot ni keeper.
Let's see mine.
Ito yung sagot ni keeper. 9 plus 5, keeper. Ha? So, medyo may problema dito. Puro 0 yung carry niya. 0 yung carry niya. So, dito naman ang carry niya ay 6. Uy, ang laki. 16 nagkabaliktad. Dapat siguro dito yun. So, okay. So, keeper, ito, 8 plus 8, 16. Dapat yung 1 nang nasa taas, yung 6 nasa baba. So, mali na. Tapos, 9 plus 6, 657. So, walang natama si keeper. Okay. Okay, tingnan natin yung kay Uno. Akin na, tingnan ko dito.
Mommy, I was
Si Uno, ayan. Si Uno, dinagdagan niya yung plus niya kanina. So, ayan. Binago ng sulat, kaya ito rin, nasa malaki na siya.
14.
So, si Uno,
Why you
9 plus 5, okay?
why you make
Nag-carry
your own?
siya.
You need to make
What is this?
Your mom
900? 90?
4.
4. Okay, correct.
Yes!
Tapos dito tayo. 7 plus 4 equals 11. Carry 1 plus 11.
11. Dito may pambura.
11 ulit. Tapos carry 1 ulit. So, nagka-ano siya, nagbilang siya, nakita niya. Okay. So, 1,011. Tama? Kahit lang nagkamali siya ng pagsulat at
Why you
pagbibilang.
make it your own? Because you need to make your
So,
own.
ito 8 plus 8, 16. Carry 1 plus 5 plus 3 equals 9.
You need to
Plus
make your mom do.
4 plus
Like I
2, 6. Correct. Tapos ito,
Wait, wait.
9 plus 6, 15. Carry 1 plus 3 plus 2 equals 6 plus 6. Correct. So, nakakuha ng perfect si Uno.